Ako po si Harvey Oxina, second year.
Hi, I'm Maria Ortide, a second year sociology major.
Hi, I'm Alexandra Oxina.
My name is Francine Lay Oropesa, second year AB Sociology student.
Hi, I'm Mariel P.R. Perez, second year sociology student.
Ay, wait lang!
Ano? So, bakit you?
Bio kasi, club chaser ako.
Kasi akala ko masayang mag-aral sa malayo, pero nakakapagod siya eh.
I chose Bicol University kasi ang lawak ng grandstand and sa pagkakaalam ko kasi may concert siya every after hataw. Besides from
CSSB kasi hindi kaya na braces ko yung hard science. Dito nga lang ako nag-settle sa soft science. Soft girl, yung very.
Siyempre, excited. Lalo na nung pasukan kasi she's na-excited ako sa kursong pinili ko.
But kidding aside, kaya CSSB kasi nakikita ko yung competence ng CSSB when it comes to academics. Maraming board passers like sa SOBO, tapos dito naman sa Sociology, maraming tawag doon, parang yung thesis nila, represent nila sa ibang lugar, and especially ibang bansa. Kaya, yun, proud ako sa CSSB niya.
So, bakit sociology?
Actually, unexpected. Kasi nung pag-fill out ko ng form, binasa ko lahat ng courses na available. Tapos pagkabasa ko sa iba, sabi ko, ay, familiar. Tapos nung pagkabasa ko sa sociology, biglang naisip ko na, hala, parang ang unique. So, yun yung pinili kong first choice.
For me kasi interesting ang pag-aralan ng mga tao. Kaya ang first choice ko talaga is psychology. Pero later found out na mas masaya pag-aralan ng sociology since group of people and structure ng organization ang pag-aaralan. And the society itself, hindi lang yung isang tao. So far, what are your experiences as a social worker?
One experiences na lagi ako na-excite ngayon is kapag yung prof namin is nagkikwento siya about certain issues or certain social issues na nangyayari ngayon. Tapos, continuously siya nagbibigay ng insightful suggestions and recommendations and lalo na solutions. Kasi as part of a sociology, dapat aware kami sa mga nangyayari.
So one of the best experience that I experienced is back when I was a fresh in social days. For me, yun yung pinaka-memorable talaga since para yung team building may mga series of activities na nagpabay para makilala ko yung ibang year, higher year. So napapakita din yung spirit ng social since camaraderie ng sociology student as a whole, makikita mo dun sa pakikipag-socialize ng mga tao.
What are your goals?
my goals is to set
Siyempre, my goal as a sociology student and aspiring sociologist is to a reason for change sa society.
my goals is to set and track your own learning goals, manage your stress, learn from your mistakes, and visualize a positive outcome.